Welcome to the channel, especially on a winning day. Congratulations to each and every one of you in the Discord today that showed your patience. You waited it out, and the Bulls won today. What an incredible market day we had today. I don't know if it's the Santa rally yet, but let me show you this picture right here that El Torito, who's one of our Discord members over in Spain, threw this in there. Actually, we got two versions of it. This was the earlier start of the bull run, Santa bull run. Here's the second version of it made for me, APLD. Love that, bro. Thank you, man. That made me laugh. Super awesome. We have become very much the APLD day traders because everybody's making money in APLD every day, and it's just that type of stock. Easy to track, easy to trend, easy to see the start and the end, the in and the out, the yin and the yang, the this and the that. You see it all. But congratulations to each and every one of you. Super awesome day. Super proud of every one of you who displayed patience. Educate yourself on the candlesticks and the support and resistance levels, when to get in, when to get out. Took profits today. 2 days of green doesn't mean bull run yet, okay? And like I shared in the Discord earlier this morning, don't get super excited. Don't get greedy. Lock those profits in place. We'll have a chance to do it again on Monday morning when the market opens back up, or Sunday night, depending on how you play it. But lock the profits in, and let's wait and see what happens. I'm expecting a gap up on Sunday Night Live. But man, what an incredible day we had today. I even throw in some of my own earnings there today. BBAI, I did jump into APLD. Discord fam's going to be like, what? You didn't tell us when? I got in about midday. I was waiting for a pullback and decided, man, I'm jumping in because it's nothing but green. All the technicals showed it. And so made a nice profit on APLD today. APLX, made a nice profit in APLX today. I did buy that a few days ago, ran it up. I'm still in it. Haven't gotten out of that one yet. I'm holding. It's holding pretty comfortably. I'm going to wait and see what it does at the Sunday night gap up or gap down, and we'll make a decision on there. But I'm up almost $900 on it. Very, very happy. Very, very good day. Made up for some really bad days that we had earlier in the week, even though in an up market or a down market, if you are a day trader, an average Joe, average Jane day trader, and you follow support and resistance levels, you follow the candlestick patterns, it doesn't matter what the S&P 500, doesn't matter what the market's doing. If it's running down, it's running down. There's still stocks that you can make money in at the turn when it runs back up and corrects and turns back down. You can get in and out of those. So let's look at the market itself right now real quick. Overall, you can see S&P 500 closed up 0.88%, the Dow up 0.38%, the NASDAQ up 1.31%. Even Shenzhen and Shanghai are up green today. And what we know happened last night at about 10 p.m. was the Japan market made the decision that they did a rate cut by 0.25%, all right? That's huge news. Caused Bitcoin to run, Ethereum to run. Most of the cryptocurrency was running last night into today. S&P 500 loved it, was running and pumping. Everything pumped. We're going to go right into the charts, and I'm going to show that to you. You can see here's Bitcoin right here. It was at a low of about 84,000. This is yesterday around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Started pumping up here last night. Trump got up at the podium, started talking. Everything started running nice. 10 p.m. We got to 10 p.m. Here is that pump when the Japanese market dropped their percentage rate cut, 0.25%, and it just continued through the day. Pulled back a little bit mid-afternoon around 12:30 and came back and closed nice. It's still running right now at 88,165. You're talking up almost $4,000. What an incredible run. When we look at the Ajdt best day trade list, you're going to see Tesla had a rough day today. We thought Tesla was going to hit 500 today. A lot of us, glad I didn't bet on it. But notice here, okay, I've got my support and resistance levels set up for Tesla. This right here, 474.23. It came all the way down. All right, a little bit of a pump here. I'm on the 15 minute. Pulled back down. And what did it do right here? It rejected against the 474.23 support level, and it pushed it all the way back up. It just kept going. So it made up for a lot of what it did today. Closed at 481, sitting at 483 right now in the aftermarket, running a little bit horizontal, which most stocks are. You could have thrown a dart at the dartboard today with the Ajdt best day trade list on it. And I'm going to throw that up here on the screen so you can see if it's green. It ran green today. Even with Tesla running down a lot of red, you still could have made a ton of money in it if you paid attention. Engulfing candle on the support turn back up all the way. You could have made a lot of money here to a high right here, 483.89, and it came back and then it continued on. High of 484.75, pretty good day for Tesla. Still could have made money. AMD all day long. Look at this pump for AMD all day. Beautiful run for AMD. Palantir all day long. NVIDIA. Robinhood. Beautiful run. IREN. Look at this. Incredible run for IREN. Bottomed out here at $36.69 all the way to $40.42. HIMS. Some volatility, but if you got in it and didn't stress about it, you could have made it all the way up here to 35.86 from 34.60. BMNR, Bitmine, okay? Nice run up today and a monster gap up in the pre-market. I don't know what was going on there except for saying, hey, this is part of crypto. It runs by crypto. SMCI, finally a nice SMCI day. Look at that pump. APLD, we don't even have to show you APLD. You know APLD because I made a ton of money in APLD today. Very happy. SoFi, all day long cranking. QBTS, the Quantums. Rigetti, Cypher, SMR, okay, nice up run today. Did pull back, coming back up in the post-market into it's not going to be a 24-hour market because we closed at 8 p.m. for the weekend. EOSE, nice run. Wolf, even nice run. QUBT all day long. ONDS, look at this pump. Open, okay, kind of dropped down, but made some room up and then finished strong. And BBAI Army, where are you? $5.66 all the way up to $6.34. I even pulled a couple $100 out of BBAI today. I've got a long-term account with a lot of BBAI in it, and I day traded BBAI today. Super strong, super nice. Look at all the volume that it displayed today. Yeah, and it was nothing but signal over the MACD until late towards the end of the day when it crossed back over. That's your signal to sell. Well, I'm going to tell you, incredible day today. Thank you so much for being here in this video. Stay strong, stay smart, continue to watch the market, but I'm also going to tell you, this is the time when everyone gets super excited. What will the market do Sunday night for us when we have the opening bell? We're going to do a Sunday night live, 7:45 p.m. I will start the clock. 7:55, I will be in live, and we'll talk about, do some charting, do some box strategy. You can call out in the comments to me stocks you want me to send you some levels on or do the levels on, or go ahead and do the box strategy on. We're going to have some fun when we get there. Always exciting to see a green day. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. And if you want to be on Monday morning in the Discord with us, go ahead and drop below into the description and hit the link. Thank you so much. God bless you. Have a beautiful weekend with your friends, with your family. Take some time for yourself, but be ready Sunday night into Monday morning. We're going to make some more money and get rich together. Josh out. God bless you. Peace.